How to install apps from the Play Store in Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. First of all, open Play Store. Now in Play Store, now here you will see Games app. And if you want to install games, then click on Games. Now here you will see all games. Select game that you want to install. After selecting game, click on game. Now here you will see install. Now click on install. After click on install, this game will be installed from your phone. Now go back, and if you want to install apps, then click on apps. Now here you will see apps. Select apps that you want to install. After selecting app, click on install. After click on install, this app will be installed from your phone. This is how you can install apps from the Play Store in Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. I hope you like this video and thanks for watching this video.